best closer in your agency is you. Now that's not a flex. That's the problem, because what you actually built is a sales process that only works when you're actually in the room. Now that's not a sales process. That's a dependency. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can remove yourself from the sales complexity, the systems that I built, and the role I hired first, and what you can do in order to generate more revenue when you actually get out of sales. Now, the first thing is we need to define the sales system first. Most founders try to hire the salesperson before you ever document the process, and that's why it actually fails. What you need to do is you need to build the offering ladder, the foot in the door offer, which makes it possible for a salesperson to close business faster and easier without the founder credibility. It's a low risk entry point for the prospect, and it's an easier close for the salesperson. Now, if you start thinking about what makes it hard or what makes it easier for the founder to sell the deal rather than a salesperson, is all about the stories. You got to transfer your stories, and that's the real reason founders outsell everyone else. It's the stories. It's not the skill, it's not the charm, it's the stories. So the transfer isn't all about the script, it's about mining the founder's proof, that proof library, that training the salesperson to tell these stories from someone that actually lived it. So what we did is we created a Trello board of columns based on our methodology. So our methodology at Agency Mastery is attract, convert, and scale, so you have the opportunity to sell your business. So what we started doing is I started taking all the success stories we had of all these agency owners based on their problem. So if they were struggling with leads, I would put them in the attract column, and I would share that story with our salesperson. And then eventually they would understand those stories. So when they're talking to a prospect, they can go, yeah, David was struggling with leads in their agency as well, and they were relying on referrals all the time. What we did is we implemented this one little thing and it took over. Or, oh, Brian actually started implementing a foot in the door, and that enabled them to close deals faster. So it's all about transferring those stories from the founder to the salesperson. The next, or the last part, is the mirror method. This is where the salesperson actually shadows the founder first, and the founder actually shadows the salesperson after they start building confidence. So it works like this. Let's say you have a 3-part close. The first is the discovery call, which a lot of agency founders already do now, where this is a qualification call. Then the discovery call is used to close the prospect on the foot in the door, which is a paid strategy call. Hopefully you're doing that. If you haven't checked out the previous videos about defining your foot in the door, I'll link in the description. And we also have a workshop we're doing called the Sales Conversion Workshop, which we'll have a link to as well. If you go to agencymastery360.com/100K, you can attend that live workshop that we're actually doing to break this down even more. But what I would do is they would shadow me on this discovery call first. And then once I had confidence in them that they could do that call, I would shadow them. And then after those calls, we'd have a debrief and we'd break it down. What was successful? What would we work on? How do we make it actually better? And then once I have complete confidence after I shadowed them, and be like, man, you're ready to go do this on your own. Each week they would send me the best and the worst recording. So then I can actually break that down and make them better over time. Because what you teach your salesperson now or your salespeople now, sometimes they'll forget. They'll forget some of the basics, and you can kind of go over that with them. The next part is they're going to shadow me on the foot in the door offer. And then I'm going to shadow them, and then vice versa. They're going to send me the best and the worst recording. So then by doing this, we're getting our salesperson much further along. And what I've done even before I've actually hired a salesperson, I've actually started recording all my sales calls as I'm having those sales calls. And then I will group them based on great prospect or bad prospect. And I put documentation. So then when I hire a salesperson, they can actually watch me go through it before I actually even hire them, to give them a leg up, to get them going faster. Because the more efficient, the more systems you have in place, the faster you can replace yourself as that founder-led salesperson. Now, if you related to this and you want to really kind of dive deeper into, like I was talking about, the foot in the door, the offering ladder, and even more details about handing off sales to someone else so you have more time to focus on the stuff you need and have more freedom and you're not working all the time, I'm doing a live workshop. It's called the 100K Sales Conversion Workshop. If you go to agencymastery360.com/100K, you can attend that live. And until next time, have a swank day.